The product team is really about pushing the envelope to solve the next big challenge, to deliver delight to our customers. So to be at Ancestry on the product team and be successful, you really need to be humble, willing to learn, jump in, because our product is unlike anything out there. Collaboration at Ancestry is key to success. And so the people who are the most successful are the ones that have the capability and desire to think who's not in the room and who they need to bring along for the journey. There's never a dull moment, so every day there's something new to go after, a new thing to explore, and the internal mobility and learning that comes with that has been absolutely delightful. There's very few companies out there that you'll be sitting on user interviews and people will start to cry. And so working on a product that delivers that type of meaning is very meaningful and impactful, more so than just a traditional tech product.